Hello trails and off-road enthusiasts, I'm Tim Britton, I'm the editor of Classic Dirt Bike magazine, and welcome to the Classic Dirt Bike Show 2023. We have bikes from every single aspect of the off-road world. You will find it all in these halls here every year. It's always the best we can get in the off-road world, be they private restorations or professional restorations, bikes for sale, bikes to rebuild, bits to rebuild bikes, clothing to ride the rebuilt bikes in, and events to ride those rebuilt bikes in with the clothes you've just bought. It's the ultimate experience for the classic and twin shock off-road motorcyclist.
I'm Martin Hagon, Managing Director of Hagon Shocks. This will be our 9th year of sponsoring the show. We think it's a great show to come to. This particular show, with it being early on in the season, you've got a lot of people that are trying to find bits and pieces to get their bike prepared for the season. It always seems a very friendly, great atmosphere at the show, and if you haven't been before, please come.
Hi there, my name's John McCrink, and I've got the pleasant task today of being the interviewer and the commentator at the show. It's been a really fabulous weekend here at the show because we've had a legendary world motocross champion, Dave Thorpe.
Welcome, Dave. Do you have a seat? Fabulous to see you.
Our own British champion here, who's been an absolute joy to work with, and he's done so much over the weekend with the fans. I've been looking at all the fabulous bikes and all the trade stalls that are here at the show. It's just been a great weekend. It's a good opportunity at the end of the winter to come and meet people who we've not seen since last autumn. So all in all, the Hagon Classic Dirt Bike Show is a really must-go to event for off-road people.
My name is David Thorpe. I was 3 times world 500cc champion in 1985, 86 and 89. I've been amazed how well attended it is. There's an awful lot of people here. There's a lot of stuff that is from my time, if you like. I've been amazed how many parts and chassis and mud guards and everything's for sale. I like looking at the old stuff, older stuff than I rode. There's a few bikes, Matisses and that my dad used to ride, so I've had a good look at those. It's been quite interesting. I think it offers an awful lot to a lot of people that still collect and ride the older bikes, and generally it's just got a nice feeling about it. So yeah, I certainly do recommend it to my friends.